Yes, it is. Don't touch my water. Close the lid. Close the lid. Welcome back, A.M Kids. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Today we are going to be doing the
handcuff challenge. Like, subscribe, and make sure you watch our last video that we did, a chore video. Because you guys gotta clean, and if you don't clean, your parents not gonna be happy. So if they're not happy, you ain't gonna be able to play video games or watch a movie or do anything.
Yeah, anything isn't anything. Anything is the best. Best isn't anything.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I don't know what I just said.
Let's get into the video.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so first things first. Both Ayla and Nehemiah are right-handed.
Yep.
Which one's your right hand?
This one.
Okay, both of them are right-handed. So we made these handcuffs. Why did we have to make handcuffs, Nehemiah?
Because we couldn't find no handcuffs at any store. We couldn't find any handcuffs at the dollar store. No handcuffs at Target. No handcuffs at Walmart. No handcuffs at Winco. It's like only no handcuffs at Target and dollar store.
Okay, so we had to make these.
And
now we're trying to decide who's gonna have their right hand free.
Yeah.
We are going to be doing rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors. Stop. Okay, look. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
How many rounds?
3.
1.
No, 3. 3 rounds.
Okay, 3 rounds.
1 round.
3.
I'm the king of the world, so I get to call it.
3.
Okay, come on.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Got you.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock,
Paper, scissors, shoot.
got you.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh,
Rock, paper, scissors,
Nehemiah
shoot. Got you.
Nehemiah won! Nehemiah won, so he gets to have his right hand free. So go ahead and put it on your left hand. How's it feel?
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah, let's go. I don't know how to do this. Can you guys please help me do this? Please. Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, so what they're first going to do is they're going to be playing Twister.
My freaking God.
I can't even set it up.
Come on, you ass.
So for those of you that don't know, game of Twister is meant to, it's a game that ties you in knots. Okay, here we go. You guys ready?
Yes.
No, you gotta go over there.
Okay, well, this doesn't look ready.
Well, no, I don't.
Yeah.
Hey, don't be pulling on the alien mind, disrespecting the alien mind. Don't forget, you're quarantining, you ain't got nothing better else to do, so why not watch a new kid channel?
Yup.
Foot Blue.
Left foot blue. Easy. No which hand I run.
Right hand green.
Right hand. Oh! Ah! Oh! I can't.
Left foot blue. Right.
Wait.
Oh.
I have no idea.
Okay, here we go. Right foot yellow.
Right foot yellow. Yes, finally. Right foot yellow.
Left hand red.
Left hand.
Oh, God.
Guys, can you please? Ow! This is heck hard.
This is hard.
I can't.
I don't know where my feet are supposed to go, no boy.
My legs hurt.
No.
Ayla, move, get off. My legs hurt. Ayla, get off. Thank you. Thank you.
That's what you guys get.
Woo! 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 Woo!
Not only you.
Okay,
everyone out. We were getting twisted into each other, and that was so hard. I could not do it.
My bone was freaking
But
hurting.
when we play twisters when we play twisters by ourselves, it's way easy.
There was no handcuffs.
Yes, handcuffs always. Cause I have to be with my brother. He's bigger than me.
You're like you're freaking 7 and I'm 8. That's why you're smaller.
No,
The oldest one's gonna be bigger, and the youngest one's gonna be smaller. So that's why it's so easy.
What's the next step? Oh, everyone is waiting.
So easy.
Oh my gosh, we were gonna go outside, but it's raining. Okay, we figured it out, y'all. Ayla and Nehemiah are going to try folding their clothes.
No, let's try to do something else.
No, you're gonna fold the clothes. You thought.
Because folding clothes is boring.
Sorry. Kids, make sure that you're doing your laundry.
Make sure you're not.
Especially if you're 6 years and above, you should be folding your own laundry. Let's see if they can do this.
Easy.
It's not
Easy peasy, my name is Gleazy.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah! I finally got a nice hat.
You might as well.
I'm just joking.
Cut down with one.
Oh my god, this is just, I can't even, I was literally controlling everything. Yay! Oh my god, these are still wet. Yay!
Okay, this doesn't look like a challenge. Okay, all done.
Yeah.
You're kidding me.
No, I'm not. Does this look challenging to you guys? Oh.
No, nope, nope.
On to the next.
Yay!
Yeah!
Yay!
I just thought of something. Okay, stand up so you guys can get ready.
For what?
Stand up so you can get ready.
Hurry up and stand up now!
Okay, here we go. Okay, so I found something for them to do. Here we go. This is what they're gonna be doing. And they really don't dance, but let's see how they do it. Let's see.
Just stand.
You guys, one of you guys' favorite songs?
I hate this song.
I don't even know.
Be quiet. You like watching Madagascar.
No, I don't.
Bruh.
I hate that movie.
If thou sayest. Okay, take your places. Okay, we're about to start. Here we go.
Oh my god!
Come on. You guys gotta dance.
Then click here and create a free account.
Wait.
We've got
Put my water back.
hours and hours and hours of indoor.
Workout time. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, you guys are kind of working together. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good.
This video if you think we were working together. Wait. Now, guys,
I'm king, so I get to decide.
you wanna stop? Mom said no.
Another dancing.
No.
Ayla, stop hitting me.
Okay, I have an idea.
Closer together.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. My mom put it close for us.
Because I wanted it close.
Why?
Because it's easier. Psych, it's harder and more challenging. You said closer too, so what are you talking about?
Bruh.
What are you talking about? Ooh. Ooh.
Okay, what's the next step?
Not gonna break them. Get up. I should call on my brother's today. It's getting late. Who cares? Not me. Psych.
So you coming?
Move! Not getting on.
Stepping on my date.
Move. Move. Well, let me get my toothbrush.
So what are you guys going to be doing?
We're gonna be brushing
our
our
teeth.
teeth. Not. You might stop.
That's all you get.
Hey, no, you wait.
She does not know how to brush her teeth. You gotta use your left hand. I'm the kingdom, so I can use my right hand.
Is it hard or easy with your hand, Ayla?
It's hard.
Your left hand?
Yes. I do it with my life.
Look at Ayla. Don't forget. Subscribe.
I need soap on the toothbrush. Because her freaking spit got on my... Move!
Okay, you know what? That was my cat.
Where's my cat? Where's my cat?
I'm getting my mouthwash face.
Thank you for not opening the drawer for me.
Make sure you put that away. Cause I'm not.
Oh, she's so annoying.
You have to open that with your left hand, Ayla. Ma'am.
Yeah. Huh? I can use my right hand. Did you like to put stuff in your mouth? Did you like to put stuff in your mouth? Nope, do not gargle it. Just spit. Spit! God.
Like and subscribe if you will ever be handcuffed with your brother or sister, because that was heck hard, everyone. Even the twisters, oh my god. Even the twisters, yeah. Good quiet.
Oh, the dancing was just ugly.
It was ugly. Even the dancing was ugly.
Okay, where are we going to see the A.M Kids at?
And our next
drowning in his grace, so we gotta seek his face. Yeah, I used to be the devil, I repented. I got me some blue borders and some friends.